Hi there, I'm Cao Long, your invisible relocation guide. Welcome to Shanghai, which in English means upon the sea. We're going to give you a virtual tour of the city so you can see what living here will be like at your own convenience. Let's start our journey from the main city thoroughfare, the Bund, or in Chinese, Waitan. The river you see in front of you splits Shanghai into two distinct architectural marvels. While modern skyscrapers line one side of the river, beautiful neoclassical buildings stretch across the other. Take a look around, and remember to look behind you as well. Down the river, we can also see some of Shanghai's other iconic places. We're now standing on the Skywalk pedestrian street, which connects several big shopping malls and financial centers. We've placed a few markers with a description of places. Look around for a bit. Okay, now let's cross the river to the west side of the city. Welcome to East Nanjing Road, or in Chinese, Nanjing Liu, one of the busiest streets in the world. On weekends, people come here for shopping, entertainment and food. In the evening, the street is electrified by dancing neon lights. But if the hustle and bustle of the city life is too much, Shanghai also has plenty of quiet streets. We're now in Tianzifang, a historic neighborhood in Shanghai. A labyrinth of bars, cafes and craft shops, Tianzifang is an oasis of boutiques. It's also a neighborhood exploding with ancient shikumen architecture and, of course, delicious food. Figuring out the costs of a new city can be tricky, but here are some rough figures to give you an idea of what to expect. The metro is an excellent way to get across the city and typically costs around 3.5 yuan per ride. An average 3-bedroom apartment can cost about 62,000 yuan per month. And you can expect to spend around 200 yuan per person at a mid-range restaurant. Alright, let's go to our last destination. We're now at Fuxing Park in the Luwan district near Nanchang Road. Shanghai is known for its lush parks and frequent outdoor activities. In parks like these, you can find locals doing Tai Chi, ballroom dancing, flying kites, and even singing. What began over 1,000 years ago as a small agricultural village, Shanghai has transformed into one of the most popular cities in the world. It draws from both modern and traditional roots, creating an international community like no other. We hope you enjoyed this immersive tour. Thanks for joining us, and we hope to see you soon.